Hey, what's up, unboxing fans? This is your buddy, your pal, London Hawthorne. I'm here with yet another unboxing. This shipped from Chino, California, and I honestly don't know what this is. Normally, I have a pretty good guesstimate of what it is. Maybe it's something I ordered from my aunt. I don't know. I really don't know what this is. But as always, I want to say thanks for watching my videos. If you want to help support my channel, you can cash at me at London Hawthorne. You can go to websites like riptapparel.com, that's R-I-P-T apparel.com, or onceuponatea.net. Find your shirt or shirts of choice. Save about $3 off every shirt if you use my username London Hawthorne as your coupon code. Yes, this is an item for my aunt. This is an everyday stand mixer from Dash brand. She really likes this turquoise color, so gotta help your family out. I'm not gonna open this because this isn't mine, but yeah, so this looks pretty cool. Last year I ordered her a giant mixer similar to this. Yeah, she loves this. So yeah, do you guys like this? What's your favorite color? Yeah, stay happy, stay safe. Please watch some of my other videos. Just let my videos scroll for eternity. Thanks so much for watching. I wish you the best. Have a great one.